Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by pinpointing the error message and type #ref, #value, #div/0, or calculation mismatch. Open formulas error checking to see first failing cell. This narrows the hunt quickly. Look at the formula bar and press F2 to inspect references. If ranges are missing or shifted, Excel will show it. Also verify cell formatting and data types because numbers stored as text commonly cause #value and unexpected results, so fix those before changing formulas. Once done identifying, correct the formula logic and references. You edit cells with F2, update broken ranges, and switch hard-coded references to structured table names so they survive insertions. Replace volatile functions like offset with index where possible. This reduces intermittent calculation errors. If text is masquerading as numbers, wrap with value or use text to columns. For stray spaces, apply trim. Make sure to press Ctrl plus Alt plus F9 to force a full recalculation and watch the result change. Finally, validate the fix across the workbook. Use formulas evaluate formula to step through complex expressions and confirm intermediate values. This reveals hidden type mismatches. Also verify Excel's calculation mode is automatic so updates propagate. If manual, press F9 to recalc. Save a backup and rerun dependent sheets to ensure no cascade errors. If problems persist, revert to the backup and isolate the sheet. One key tip: inspect named ranges and hidden sheets for outdated links. They often cause lingering errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.